Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. To manage volume, you need to press one time at the touch areas on your left or right earbud. The touch area is located at the back side of the earbuds, at the top back side. And right here we have two circles, and this actually a touch area, so you just press one time. And as you can see at this widget, if you press one time at the right earbud, you will increase the volume, and to lower it, press one time at your left earbud. And again, as you can see, I just lower it. And you can manage volume by default with this gesture, but I will show you how to customize it. So you just open your EARFUN application, click on your earbuds, then scroll down, and you need to find controls. You just click at the customize controls, and right here, as you can see, we press one time because it's default, but you can change it by press at something else, and you just select volume up or volume down, and it's the same with right one earbuds. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.